In this video, I am going to show you how to fix microphone buzzing noise on a condenser mic using Audacity. This should be a quick and easy process. If you want to remove microphone buzzing noise, download Audacity first. It is free to download. Go to any browser, then download Audacity. Upload your audio, then choose a part of the audio with the buzzing noise. After that, click on Effect, then go to Noise Reduction. Click on Noise Reduction, then click Get Noise Profile. After that, select the part of the audio you want to apply the effect to. Then click Effects again, go to Noise Reduction, and open it again. Leave the settings as they are, then click OK. Now play the sound, and you will notice that the buzzing noise is gone. This was a quick and easy process. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.